Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The euro dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The US economy performed better than expected in 2023, significantly reducing the possibility of a recession in 2024. However, according to a new AM Best report, growth is still set to slow due to a variety of headwinds. Ethereum network gas fees reached an 8-month high amid a frenzy of interest for a new, unofficial experimental token standard dubbed ERC 404. Ethereum network gas prices reached an average peak of 70 Gwei, $60 for a standard transaction, a level not seen since May 12, 2023. US shale oil rivals Diamondback Energy and Endeavour Energy Resources are close to finalizing a roughly $25 billion cash and stock deal that would create an oil and gas company valued at more than $50 billion.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's ZEW survey, Economic Sentiment, will be released at 1000 hours GMT. The UK's employment change at 0700 hours GMT. The US Consumer Price Index at 1330 GMT. Germany's ZEW survey, Current Situation, will be released at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's machine tool orders at 0600 hours GMT, the UK's claimant count change at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.